Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Innovation. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. Whenever I uploaded the new video, you will get notified. Today I am making paper mache clay. For that you will need a bowl and piece of papers. Cut them in small pieces like this. Soak it in water and leave it for overnight. It's soaked nicely. Grind it in mixer. Remove the excess water. This is Arabic gum and chalk powder. This is the powder of Arabic gum. Add 2 spoons of Arabic gum. Later we will add 2 more. Total we will need 4 spoons of Arabic gum. Add 2 spoons chalk powder and mix it well. I'm going to add 12 spoons of chalk powder. Don't add at one time, add it slowly, mix it and then add again. Now the clay is ready. If you like watching this video, please like, share, comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.